To gymnastics, then I went to Target to get this fidget. I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. Okay, let me just open this. Okay. I just opened it. I just took this off. Now I'm going to open this. Okay. So first thing I got in the pack was this, green fidget thing. I don't know what it is. I've seen it before because I had one like last year. Oh, it's Caterpillar. It looks so cute. I love it. And the second one I got was this like little fidget toy thing. It's really cute. It looks like a person, but like you can spin it and like you could even move it a little bit. You know what I mean? And this other thing I got was this thing. It's like this other fidget spinner. And then I also got this little thing. They kind of look similar, but like this one's like a caterpillar and this one's just like a regular one. I like it though. I actually like love it. And I got this thing. It's the same thing with like different colors. And I got this. Yeah, probably can't really bring this to school because it's loud. So I might just keep these at home, but some of them I'm gonna bring to school. I'm not